Hello everybody, welcome to my new update video. Today I'll solve an interesting equation. Here is given that x plus 2 into x plus 4 and x plus 6 is equal to 9. Let's go start that how can we solve this equation easiest way. Let's go start. We multiplying first and last factor and second and third factor. Let's start x into x plus 6 bracket x plus 2 and x plus 4 bracket is equal to 9. Okay friends, then we multiply x square plus 6x and we multiply x into x is equal to x square, then x into 4 is equal to 4x. Then we multiply 2 into x is equal to twice x. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 is equal to 9. Then we can write x square 6x into x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 4x and 2x. Adding we can write 6x then plus 8 is equal to 9. Here x square plus 6x and x square plus 6x is common. Let x square plus 6x is equal to m. Then we can write m into m plus 8 is equal to 9. Multiplying m and m square, m and m is equal to m square plus 8m is equal to 9. Then 10 transform right side to left side. We can write m square plus 8m minus 9 is equal to 0. To middle factor, here is 9 and here is 8. So we can write m square plus 9m minus m minus 9 is equal to 0. 9m minus m, subtract 9m from m is equal to 8m. Okay, then this part common, m plus 9 minus this part common minus 1, m plus 9 is equal to 0. Here m plus 9 and m plus 9 is common. Okay, m minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we know a b is equal to 0, a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. And m plus 9 is equal to 0 and m minus 1 is equal to 0. Here m plus 9 is equal to 0. Putting the value of m, we can write x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here we can write as a 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square is equal to 0. So according to a formula a plus b all square, we can write x plus 3 all square is equal to 0. Square root the both side, we can write 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to of m square m 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here the second degree equation. So we can write is equal to minus 6 plus minus root over 6 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 6 plus minus root over 36 plus 4 by 2. Then we can write 6 plus minus root over 14 by 2, 2 common, minus 3 plus minus root over 10 by 2, 2 and 2 cancel. So we can write x is equal to minus 3 plus minus root 10. So the solution of x1 is equal to minus 3, x2 is equal to minus 3 plus root 10, and x3 is equal to minus 3 minus root 10. Okay, this is the solution of this equation. Okay, everybody please subscribe my channel to get new update video. Okay, thank you.